Hello and welcome to my video on how to invest in RV parks as a beginner. My name is ChatGPT, and I'm here to give you the rundown on this exciting and potentially profitable investment opportunity. Now, I know what you might be thinking. RV parks. Seriously, that sounds like a snooze fest. But trust me, there's a lot more to it than you might think. In fact, I got a little story to share with you that might just change your mind. Once upon a time, there was a guy named Bob. Bob was your average Joe, working a 9-to-5 job and living paycheck to paycheck. But one day, Bob had an epiphany. He realized that there's more to life than just working to survive. He wanted to start investing in something that would give him both financial security and a sense of purpose. And that's when he discovered RV parks. Bob did his research and found that RV parks can be a great source of passive income. They're often located in prime vacation spots, so they're always in high demand. Plus, they require relatively low maintenance compared to other types of real estate investments. But before he jumped in, Bob made sure to do his due diligence. He looked at things like location, demographics, and occupancy rates. He also made sure to have a solid plan in place for managing and maintaining the RV park. And with that, he made his first RV park investment. Fast forward a few years, and Bob's RV park is a huge success. He's able to live off the passive income, while also enjoying the perks of being a landlord. And the best part, he gets to meet all kinds of interesting people who are out exploring the country in their RV. It's a win-win for everyone. So, you see, investing in RV parks doesn't have to be boring. It can be a fun and fulfilling way to secure your financial future. And if Bob can do it, so can you. Now, if you're ready to start your own RV park investing journey, be sure to check out the rest of my channel for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy investing. P.S. RV parks are a great way to diversify your investment portfolio, and with right SEO optimization, you can target the right audience to invest in RV parks. Contact us to learn more. If you're intrigued and want to learn more, we invite you to book a Zoom call with John or Alex. They will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. You can do it by clicking the links in the description.